Bonjour, hello, I'm Sean Awesome, and welcome back to Will You Press the Button? Now, I know that this looks different than all my other Will You Press the Button videos. That's cause I got bored with the layout, so I searched Will You Press the Button, and I found this thing, which is basically the same thing on buttonboo.com. So, right off the bat here, you can make any animal that can fly obey you, but you have a nemesis that can do the same to any animal that can fly. No, I will not. Because what if he does that? What if he controls an elephant? Then I'm dead. So you get to take anything in stores for 24 hours, but you have to donate half of it to charity. Yeah, of course. I'm a giving person. You can date anyone you want, and they will never cheat. The zombie apocalypse happens 1 month later. Yeah. As long as I have my baby, I can die happy. You live in a Star Wars universe, but you are Jar Jar Binks. No. I don't like the whole Star Wars universe, and I like Jar Jar Binks even less. So the whole thing is a definite nope. You get $1 million, but every time you spend money, a seagull poops on you randomly. No. What's wrong with you people? You want to be covered in seagull poo? You can win any amount of cash in the lottery, but you will never be hired for a job again. Yeah. 751 people pressed versus 289 who didn't press. You can understand animals, but after you talk to them, they die. No. That's terrible. Yeah, 26 of 26 didn't press the button versus 3. You can get laid with whoever you want, but it is live streamed for the entire world to see. Yeah, I'm in the minority, but so what? We watch animals doing it. Actually, no we don't, but it's fun. You are the prettiest person in the world, but you smell like cow poo. No. No. Smell is everything. I'd rather look like shit but smell fantastic. You have $100 million, but every time you spend it, you take benefits from somebody below the poverty line. That's awful. You are able to see the future, but you can't change the future. No. One of the joys of life is not being able to see the future. And if you can see the future, to not be able to change it sucks. You go to Undertale, you will never come back. You go to Undertale, but you will never come back. No. Only because I don't know that game very well. You can get your dream pet but your mom will hate you. Sure. I guess the majority of people are mama's boys. You have the power to make anyone happy, but you can't make the girl you're in love with happy. Sure. I didn't think that through, but okay. You become a genius and get a Nobel Prize for everything you do, but you have half your brain cut off. Well, come on, if I have half my brain cut off, then there's no way I'd win a Nobel Prize. I wouldn't be awesome enough. No. Woohoo! Majority! You have the ability to instantly learn any language you want, but you can't speak the language in its native country. You people and your shortcuts. You die and immediately come back as a god with infinite wealth, knowledge, and beauty, but you are gay. Of course I would. This question was the other people who answered must be homophobes. You become invincible. I am invincible. But your weakness is pain and natural death. No. Woohoo! Majority 43. Okay, last one. So when you're mad, you will turn people into stone when you look at them, but you freeze one family member when you freeze one person, and you can't unfreeze them. Fuck no! Woohoo! I'm in the vast majority. 231. Don't forget to subscribe for more content. I do 2 videos a day, 7 days a week. except no, on weekdays I post videos at 3 p.m. and 9 p.m. On weekends I post at 11:30 a.m. and 4 p.m. and some days I'll sing. Twitter, Instagram, and Tumblr are in the description. Hit like if you liked it. Au revoir, goodbye.